There is no work, nothing. Inge crores of rupees go away from the BBMP, from all organizations. No work done, all bills claimed. Technicalities ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Lords, Devraj Arrest truck terminals matter.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಗೌಡ್ರು?
No, he is not a set.
ಅದಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
Same, of course, it belongs to the same institution.
Accused number 1 had approached this. Lord, the petitioner was the former managing director of Devraj Arrest trucks terminal. Lord, the allegation is that
ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
no.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
Lord, what has happened is one contractor named Ramesh raised an invoice for around 7 crore rupees. And the allegation is that works were not undertaken, the invoice was raised. And I have signed the check, but it was never issued to him. The amount is not encashed. It has been stopped.
So
on first ground, my lords, there is no loss. The second thing was check was never issued to the accused number 2. So my lords, and
why did you sign the check?
My lord, directions were issued to me by the chairman. That is one aspect, my lords. And the cognizance is now is taken for criminal breach of trust as well as cheating on both the grounds.
ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ.
And considering the ingredients.
ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Loss agilla, adre check has gone to the bank for realization. At that point of time, chairman.
ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, realization ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
They issued a
chairman has instructed the bank not to pass that check. And that's why it got stopped. Otherwise it would have got passed and.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ.
The complaint allegation itself is that they issued a show cause notice to me. I have replied and returned back the check. It is the petitioner who has returned the check. So there is no question of them submitting it to the bank for realization.
So rupees is the check amount.
7 crores.
6.7 crore rupees. No work order, no MB book. This petitioner issued.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೊಡಿ.
He says that work is satisfactory. I issues a certificate for work of satisfactory. Based on that, the check has been issued.
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀರಾ?
Please.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ವಿತೌಟ್ MB book, without work done, 6.7 crores cleared. You want me to write? I will write.
I'll take liberty to file this.
ಚೆಕ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತು. ಯುವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ವೆನ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವರ್ಕ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees go away from the BBMP, from all organizations. No work done, all bills claimed. Technicalities ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್.
ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. How did you sign, sir? Work satisfactory ಅಂತ.
Directions of the chairman, that is what my instruction.
ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? Yes. Discharge format. Yes, sir.
Just two submissions. Not page 336, not evidence of PW1.
Page
336.
336. Bari page 3 ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Similarly, that we have to file a counter melody.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು? ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು? ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
2026.
I will file melody.
4 months, 3 months ಆಯ್ತು.
6th or 7th.
Finally 6th. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್. 3 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Trial ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. Not there is one more Milord difficulty in the trial. Not along with me, my colleague Sachin Milord is also appointed as special PP. Under the notification.
ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆ, ಅವರು ಇದೆ. Not I requested the government not so that it will be there whenever I'm in High Court.
ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
The problem is not the other side is saying the notification says he is special PP to assist special PP. Assist do not include appearance and it's only he can only.
ಈ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ? Yes.
Whenever sometimes when I'm stuck here, I will request my colleague. He is also notified.
The appointment is personal.
Correct. You may be right. I'm not saying Pacha sir is right, maybe. But why ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Trial to be conducted before Sessions Court is by public prosecutor.
Correct.
Regarding that, there is already an order by the court.
Correct.
He is also notified as special PP.
Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ಇದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ
not
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
We are not insisting.
ಅಲ್ಲ, you want him only to be there ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ.
Not here. We are not insisting here. The trial to be conducted by public prosecutor ಅಂತ It is by word, by his name, it is appointed.
He is also
Only
named
public-
as special.
His name is also
His
there.
name is
huh?
also there.
Name is only to assist, not, he is not appointed as. public
He is
prosecutor.
appointed as special PP to assist me ಅಂತಿದೆ.
To assist and.
Appointed
that
as
is not
special
it.
PP.
Let him
ಅಲ್ಲ,
assist
assistant
in
ಏನ್
that.
file
ಏನ್
ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದು?
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, assistance has led to resistance, what to do?
ಅಲ್ಲ, assistant doesn't mean, no, in my humble submission, only carrying files and standing next to me.
No, there was
Assistance
no
includes,
such a, no such
assistance
description at
includes,
all
my
under
lord,
the code of-
and in my humble, every colleague, my lord, every colleague.
ಯಾರು ರಂಗನಾಥ್
has not
ರೆಡ್ಡಿ
right-
ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿನೂ ಅದೇ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
We oppose, my lord, strictly that CRPC procedure we follow. That,
ಆಯ್ತು,
but
ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ
trial-
ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
But trial is concerned, my lord, not that, strictly the procedure is to follow.
But,
We are not insisting here his presence. My lord, many matters, my lord, his colleagues are appearing, we never oppose any
ಹಾ,
time.
that's what. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Illa.
No, because ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ he is notified as special PP.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
But otherwise what will happen is, not none of
ನಾನು
the colleagues.
ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
We never oppose, my lord, in high court. My lord, trial is, the concept itself is totally
Correct,
different. That we cannot, my lord, accused cannot concede for anything. That
I
we law-
will never, should never concede for anything.
But the practical impediment is that, my lord, learned
ಅಲ್ಲ,
senior, my
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
lord, he has
ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ,
assumed
ಸರಿ.
many roles, my lord, being
Ah.
a special CBI prosecutor as well as the certain other roles, my lord. Considering that fact, we are not on that, whether he could be assisted by his juniors, that we are not.
And ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the bar will never develop. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಫೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಬ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, being not
That's a
notified as
larger,
special
that's a
PP.
larger question.
Larger question, exactly.
my lord, that aspect is not, my lord. In
I
case of-
thought you are telling ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇದ್ರೆ
not here, not
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
My lord, by word itself, my lord.
that's ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವರು?
No, not here, my lord, absolutely not here.
Same
When you
notifi-
began, I thought
Same
it's here.
notification, not for here. as
Senior
well
has
as-
not done that here, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Is taking influence of your lordship to see that it is used there.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
No, I'm making a submission.
That word doesn't arise here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ indirect ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
Not same notification, but this court not as well as.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
trial
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
court.
if they oppose, I can pass some order. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
The difficulty of somebody practicing both on the original and appellate side.
Can't help. Practical difficulties you can
Please.
always project, but that cannot be. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ definitely I would have passed an order. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕ ಇದು?
But this being state Malad case, very difficult to Malad come before this honorable court for every not order
Correct,
that the
I
trial
know.
court.
There is no stay order in this.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
state case ಅಲ್ಲ, stay ನನ್ನ
Stay
case
ಇಲ್ಲ, stake.
state case ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ.
State and stake, my lord.
State and stake both. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ no mistake. 6th ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? 6th ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
Please.
Stay, lordship.
Friday?
Next Friday,
The 7th of 6th?
7th.
7th.
Please.
Highly grateful.